What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to talk about Binance Singapore and CoinHako. So basically, if you are not subscribed to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, and leave a thumbs up to the video. And of course, if you have friends or family who are interested in cryptocurrency, this is the one and only. I would not say one and only, but this is the most easiest way for you to get an entry, meaning you are able to buy Bitcoin or buy other cryptocurrency with just a simple click. And I'm going to show you how in this video. So before we get started, kindly hit the subscribe and post notification again. So let's get started. So from the thumbnail itself, you have seen get a free $20 Singapore dollars for free. So basically, how do you even get that? So basically, you need to sign up using my referral link down below. Yeah, basically click on it and the link is going to be like this, but I have just I made it into a bit.ly link, therefore it's a short link for me to track, and from there all users have to register. That registered has to pass their KYC. So basically, what is KYC? KYC is know your customer, meaning you have to submit your documents, your NRIC, your date of birth, and personal stuff that to identify you that you are not a fraud. Therefore, that you're not using somebody's document to sign up for their account. Let's say if you are in the US and you got somebody's document from Singapore and you want to sign up and use the account using under their name. Therefore, it is not allowed. But yeah, but please don't try that because it is illegal. Therefore, this is also to comply with the anti-money laundering law. So yeah, this is to protect Binance Singapore and the other user that is in the platform. So basically, once you sign up the KYC, you will receive the $20 once you complete a total of 100 Singapore dollars of valid trading volume, buy and sell across any trading pairs on Binance.sg. So this is the good news that I'm going to bring to you. And of course, in this video, before you click away or anything, because once I explain the free money, basically people will just click away and you will not learn much. If you are a newbie or beginner, you would want to watch the whole video. And of course, I'm going to compare Binance Singapore and CoinHako on this video. So basically, let's get started to the dashboard. So on Binance Singapore, the dashboard, it is not really sleek or whatsoever, but it's simple looking. So yeah, basically I have some Singapore dollars over here, not Singapore dollars, but Ethereum. I have sent 0.22 Ethereum and towards Binance Singapore and CoinHako, and I'm gonna do a buy and I'm gonna just sell my Ethereum, and from there you will see how does the process work. But if you are signed up on CoinHako, you should roughly know how does CoinHako work and how does the ecosystem work there. It's very simple. Just basically what you need to do is first the first thing you need to do is click on account, and from there you have to sign up a Xfer account, xfer.io. From there you are able to so Xfers. So you have to use this payment platform to send to deposit Singapore dollars into it, and from there it is gonna show up over here once you link your account under the account tab. So you link it and you can click on how much you want to buy and sell. You can choose the currency over here. So Binance Coin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. You can choose either these three, which one you want to buy. Most probably you will just buy Bitcoin because Bitcoin is mooning right now. As you can see over here, it's mooning. It's going up to 13,700, and yep, it's just going up slowly and steady. And yeah, basically the interface is very simple. You want to buy, you click on the tab over here, buy or sell. So basically I am gonna sell Ethereum. So you can click on max. Before we do that, I just gonna do a comparison with Binance Singapore and CoinHako. So basically over here you click on sell. So yeah, let me do it. So over here, for CoinHako's interface is much more different. I would say it is more messy. As you can see, there's many tabs over here. Your super wallet, meaning your local currency wallet, powered by Xfer. They also have Xfer in CoinHako, but I will not use the feature there because uh, CoinHako basically has a local currency for you to deposit fiat Singapore dollars into the account or withdraw it. Very simple. Just click on either one and it's going to show you the details. And from there, you're able to buy, sell crypto. And from there, this is your cryptocurrency wallet. So this is the wallet that you store the crypto that you are sending in. Or basically, if you do not have a hardware wallet or whatsoever, or a software wallet and you do not know how to send your crypto to a safe place, yeah, basically you're going to store it on an exchange. But trust me, if you store it on an exchange, if something happened to the exchange, or on CoinHako or Binance Singapore, either one of it get hacked or whatsoever, you are basically going to lose your funds, and I would not want that to happen for anyone. So yeah, download us. If you do not have enough cash to buy a hardware wallet, basically just use a software wallet like Exodus. You can Google it Exodus and it's gonna show up. And if you need a hardware wallet, it's gonna be linked down below. Ledger, which is basically highly secured for you to store your crypto, your hard-earned money. So over here, for CoinHako, there's a good feature over here is for coin swapping. So you can swap Bitcoin to Ethereum and other pair over here. So there's many variety, and on CoinHako itself, there's many variety of trading pairs to choose from. But sadly on Binance, you only can buy sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Binance Coin. So basically, it is because Binance Singapore is a new exchange and they are somehow getting regulated, I would say. So from there, you have to, if you are a crypto trader or whatsoever, you can quickly come in using the link down below to grab the free $20. From there, yeah, it's basically free money for you and me. So why not? There's no harm. Just sign up, trade at least up to $100 worth of crypto, and you are able to, yeah, get the money for free that is given by Binance Singapore. So over here, this is the wallet. I talk about it and the swap, and yeah, basically there's also a earn this thing over here, earn points and get rewarded. So let me show you what is it. So basically over here you can do trades. So once you do a trade or whatsoever, they are going to issue you points, and from there the points can be redeemed over here. So the rewards are MCO token, ZIL token, XRP, and some redemption coupons. And bear in mind that if you are new, that not say you are new or whatsoever, if you do not have a promo code or whatsoever, you are paying a fee of 1% on every trade that you are doing. So on Binance Singapore itself, it is having a 0.6% fee. So I'm gonna click this and pop up, and yeah, it's gonna show you the fees. So basically over here, so withdrawal from Binance Cash wallets to Xfer, it is free, and the orders fee buying from Xfer or whatsoever, the fee is 6%. I mean 0.6%, which is far lesser than CoinHako. And from there, the crypto fee deposit is free. Withdrawal, there's limit. There's a withdrawal fee because of the network itself. And as you can see, there's a minimum withdrawal as well. So basically on CoinHako, it's the same thing. You just need to find where is it. I'm not gonna explain it to you. So basically, let's do the trade now. So if you want to do a trade on CoinHako, it's basically buy sell Singapore dollars, and I'm gonna sell Ethereum. Ah, this is so troublesome, but it is secure. So in a way, so basically, I'm just gonna pull the tab out, and yep. So I have put it side by side, and as you can see over here, the promo code, from when I got started, I saw CoinHako on CoinGecko. Therefore, I know that this promo code is still working, and yeah, I do not know why it's still a custom fee. So my CoinHako fee is at 0.8%. I do not know why, because maybe I'm an early user. I entered this CoinGecko thing promo, and it has been always on 0.8%. So it's a good thing for me, but I'm not I'm not really a trader. I just basically, if I need some cash, I will just come over to CoinHako and sell some of my crypto, and from there, yeah, enjoy the 0.8% fee. But right now, Binance is offering 0.6%, but the con about it is using Xfer.io. Because Xfer.io, the service itself, the withdrawal services is quite slow, I would say. Because when I started using the Xfer, I tried withdrawing money, and somehow I have no problem with it, but the withdrawal is somehow slow, around 3 to 5 working days or even 7 working days, depending on the network or how many people are withdrawing at the same time. So let's do a sell order so you can compare the price and the fees over here. So over here, I am receiving 104.8 Singapore dollars, and of course the exchange rate is different because if each exchange has their own maker and the system, the liquidation um, people or bots that are trying to fill the market, and of course the price is going to match the global. If not, if I'm not wrong, Binance Singapore is going to somehow use their own Binance exchange, the global exchange, to convert Singapore Ethereum to US dollar, then from there convert yeah, it's some complicated math. So yeah, I'm not gonna talk about it. So basically, one Ethereum is gonna be 474.06 Singapore dollars on Binance Singapore, and one Ethereum is gonna cost 408.33 on CoinHako. So the price varies because yeah, the market is volatile. Therefore, prices go up and down quickly. And maybe you just close your eye for a second, it's gonna go up to 50k or whatsoever. Who knows, man? So let's do a sell and see how easy it is. So the price is gonna refresh in 57 seconds. So I'm not gonna do that because yeah, hoping the price will go up. So yep, it's still here. So it's dropping over here. Somehow it's I would say a legit process to click on this, and because if you want to trade, of course you want to get most out of your money. Therefore, when you see the highest price, I saw it was 475, and hopefully it will go up to 475. But unfortunately, as you can see, it is dropping. So it is 473, 4. Yeah, as you can see, it went up again just by $1. And you might be thinking it's just $1, but honestly, you think about it, it's just $1, yes, but you are somehow um using that dollar to cover your fee. So as you can see over here, CoinHako fee is 80 cents. If this goes by $1, somehow I'm just saving my 80 cents. But I do not know. This is how I would exchange. Normally, I would take a long time by looking at the price going up and down like this. Okay, so 474. And here is the amount here is like this, and yeah, just gonna click once again, 4742 it okay, so this price just gonna click on sell, so confirm the fees. So on CoinHako is the same thing, so it's gonna show you confirm page again, you verify everything, and from there, yeah, but for CoinHako is around 15 seconds, but for Binance it is around 60 seconds a minute. So click on sell, confirm. Yeah, need to do this again. So confirm and processing what is this, invalid order code, I do not know what is it. So click on sell again, confirm. Right, so the processing thingy is a GIF showing you CoinHako, and from there, for on Binance Singapore, it is showing you Ethereum sales confirm, and both exchange work quite the same. But on, as you can see over here on CoinHako, it is showing me a new chest. I do not know what is it. Click on open it. Here is a 70 point that I can use. So over here, $1,000 chest, blah blah blah, and wallet. So return to wallet, and how do you check the transaction? So click on history. It is not showing, so account, I would say. Yep, on account it's not showing as well, and on history it is not showing the withdrawal buy sell. Yep, over here buy sell is gonna show you. No, this is the send and receive. This is the receive amount buy. Nope. It is still somehow buggy, I would say, on Binance Singapore, but yeah, basically just sign up and trade. $100 get $20 for free. But on CoinHako, if you are legit looking for full time, not say full time, a real uh, an exchange that you can depend on, I would say CoinHako would be right now at the state of Binance. Binance Singapore is still new, therefore it is still upgrading and stuff. And if you are a person that is going to deal with crypto daily, I would say yeah, CoinHako is the best service out there for you if you are in Singapore. CoinHako is the best service for you to sell crypto into fiat. So over here, just click on withdraw and you are able to withdraw your money. So for the Binance Cash Wallet, just click on withdraw, and it's going to be in Xfer. So it's my phone number. So shit. So I need to do this, and yeah, so it's somehow long, and Binance Singapore. So my code 10. Alright, so it's over here. So click on this and you're able to check your transaction. So it has been already sent to my Xfer. So it's quite easy. It is legit a entry point for you if you are interested in buying crypto whatsoever. It is legit. Binance Singapore and CoinHako is the two services out there that can let you enter into the cryptocurrency market, to buy cryptocurrency, buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, or whatsoever coin that you want to buy. Yeah, basically it is a great entry, and yeah, just why not use Binance first to get the $20, and from there you can get more crypto on CoinHako. Who knows? It's up to you, it's your money, so you decide it on your own. And this is the pastebin over here I'm going to talk about, so the pros and cons. So CoinHako has more pairs and it has a mobile application, direct bank deposit, withdrawal, incentive for logging in every day, and trading rewards. As you can see just now, I have done the trading and they give me a chest and there's a reward over there. That's a good thing for people to trade and from there to earn the points and redeem it for cryptocurrency. And Binance Singapore maybe would add that, I do not know. And of course for CoinHako, uh, CoinHako itself is accepting Singapore dollars, Malaysia ringgit, I don't know, also Indonesia money, and some Vietnam dong or something like that. And for Binance, the pros for Binance Singapore right now, it is the referral program that gives you $20 Singapore dollars for trading up to $100 worth of volume. And from there, the cons, I would say, Binance Singapore is only charging 0.6% in fees, but CoinHako is charging 1%. But if you have promo code, you are able to redeem, maybe enjoy 0.7% to 0.8% of fees. So on my trade just now, as you can see, I'm just gonna click on this. Oh my god, this is irritating, but it's for security reason. So over here, I'm just gonna click on one, even though I do not have it. So the fees over here, as you can see over here, I do not know why. For trading Bitcoin Cash, I'm having a 0.7 fee on CoinHako, and for trading Ethereum and Bitcoin, I would say Ethereum and Bitcoin itself, it is 0.8. So 1. So as you can see, CoinHako is somehow, I do not know what is the system about, but maybe my account is special, I do not know. So 0.8. But bear in mind, I have not contacted them for any sponsor or whatsoever. But if they want to sponsor me and maybe give me a code, a promo code for people to the first time user to enjoy a fee of 0%, maybe yeah, hit me up, CoinHako. And for Binance, I do not know. Yep. So basically, this is a brief talk about it. And for Binance, the cons, Binance Singapore, I have to put Singapore. Binance Singapore only accept Singapore dollars for now. So yeah, if you are somehow, if you are in Malaysia or whatsoever, you are not able to join this referral program. But yeah, feel free to sign up and using my link down below. And from there in the future, maybe they will open up. Maybe they will change the name from Binance Singapore into Binance Asia. Who knows? This is just speculation. Um, from a crypto YouTuber like me, a small one. So basically, that's the end of this video, and I hope you like this video, and I hope you find it useful and help you out with it. If you are a beginner or whatsoever, and you want to, if you let's say somebody send you some Bitcoin or Ethereum, and you want to cash out for some reason, your own personal reason, yeah, you can use either these two services out there that is somehow, I would say, reliable. And CoinHako is pioneer in Singapore, but Binance. It is a largest exchange on the cryptocurrency market. Therefore, these two has their own title. And how much can you rely on them? I would say both of them, I would say, is really trustworthy. They do not scam or whatsoever. So yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you liked it, and leave a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on post notification. And of course, if you have friends or family who are looking to buy some crypto, or let's say they have some crypto and they want to sell it and do not know how to, and you yourself do not know how to do it, you can send them this video and you guys can 研究一下, okay? So that's all for this video. Peace.